Man, if I may have a little fun, I've watched this 3 times and I bust out laughing every time. But for recording's sake, I'm going to really try not to bust out laughing. But you want to talk about chivalry is dead. This guy clocks these 2 girls. They do one does a complete, that little one that he hit, she's petite. She does a complete somersault. And the other girl gets knocked down too. And this dude, I don't even like. Maybe he mumbled "I'm sorry" to them or something, but he don't even face them. Well, he did turn and face them, so hopefully he said something like "I'm sorry" before he just trots off. But those girls did not drop their pom poms. I mean, she did a complete rollover. I mean, these girls, she didn't, at least the little one didn't. She didn't drop pom pom one. I guess the other girl did. But the look on her face, she is not happy. That little one that got clocked in the back. And, right, boom. Boom. I want you to look at her when she gets up. The look on her face, she is like, I think she's ready to fight. She is not happy. And she's up before the dude is. Oh, no, that's not a smile on her face. And I say all this because I'm not hurt. Knocking about 3 cheerleaders down over there. Well, 2. Nobody comes over to help him. Like chivalry, no dudes, nobody comes. Finally, the male cheerleaders come over. But
pressure again off his back foot, launching to the end zone and incomplete. Brooks knocking about 3 cheerleaders down over there. They've been showing so.
why do I laugh every time I watch this? I know because they're okay. They're fine. There's one reason I can laugh. But just, I don't know. It was too much.